Yeah, to fi like fa talo fa to Samoa lo tu pa lo tu malu. So for Manuia langi mama lo tu lo fi mai mo fa fonga ta tu to e fta pai fo ilungo wala ata fa teknolosi nei mai se ia le weekend nei le fa ngor vaso nei ia mai se fo le aso nei ia mataya o lo fa ilungo nei le aso tina e matu te ele mai de Samoa matters ia tu natural matu a familianga ma a olofa I tina umolava I solo se me lo no pia I malalai so se tu happy Mother's Day mo to se so tina fia manuia ma le mate o fia fa te pe lo to matafa yoi ma to pitola au tonu o tatu ainga fa te tele again happy Mother's Day. For those of you who are not well versed in the Samoan language, this short video is a tribute to all the mothers, this weekend being the weekend of Mother's Day, especially because Mother's Day is celebrated today in some countries and tomorrow in other countries. But no matter where we live, Mother's Day is still a special day. And we thank all the mothers. And for this short video and tribute, I'm going to play a song which has become Samoan song. And thank you to Manuia le Aso, because they're the ones who actually wrote and recorded this song, which has become an anthem or a V for especially for mothers. And around this time during Mother's Day, the song is called Tina Tina Ea. And it's song, the persona in the song, actually, Tina Tina Ea, mother or mother, kind of a rough translation, mother, dear mother, also. And the persona in the song is a child who has apparently left home and live in a country where money and all the modern conveniences and luxuries play a major role. And despite all that, the child is saying, I still want to come home and see you, mom. And so that's the whole message in this song. He or she saying that there are a lot of these things kind of play a big influence on my life, but they're sweet, but they will not change what I've decided, and that is I want to come home. So mother, can you hear me? I want to come home and I want to see you. And before I play the song and sing that, also I'm going to use a quote that I've learned about a few years back. Very profound quote, and I like it. And I want to use the quote as a message for mothers and for all of us. Just to paraphrase the quote, it goes something like this: I love my mother not because she's beautiful. She's beautiful because I love her. Se fasa mo taulata ele ala on o walofa lo tina on o lona la le ai ala on la le lo tina on o lo walofa ya tia o se upu si matango fie mo ta tole le nganga ma le loto fatai I tina I tatu ainga ya ai o si mai fa fonga a fai foi pa do leo o lo tumo ya o le meta o la vole sa vale tu na family le aso tina. Again, happy Mother's Day to all mothers. Samoa matters, and lo tumo I love you. And from my family to yours, again, Manuia le Aso tina. Tina Tali lava ni fayata ua o se sala se pangota lo fia vai atui a folinga tele mea manaia o le ola ne le hai lava o se lele o fia fia nga winga e se malasi ai le suia i se tali tina tina o e lango na mai ta fia foi atui le ainga Tale ioe pia fo ia tu ia te oe e sua malie i la utofo ai le suia lo ulutu fia fo ia tu ele mawhai ona o nofo o ani tupe mani o ataua se isi lava lau whanua ai le mawhai ua sili lava Tina, Tina ea o e langona mai i ta e fia foi atui le ainga ta fia vai Manuia le Aso, Tina, happy Mother's Day from Samoa Matters, soy for you.